today we announced a deep partnership with CSK. Obama was my professor.
Etihad Airways, 20 years of soaring over Indian skies. I literally wrote a story about them today. So, getting ready to meet the infamous Katrina Kaif today.
Same bhaji sabke paas.
Wandering in office. Lady finger day. So we have an extremely exciting Etihad event on Friday. A brand ambassador of Etihad is going to be making a special appearance. Neha Dhupia is going to be entertaining and hosting the show. We have Deepak from the CSK team. I'm going to meet the CEO of Etihad Airways. I was just here. Anyways, continue. Tomorrow's game plan. He's going to design the cover, the press. Then what else?
Cover and then sending all the files to the process.
Comart.
Comart. And once
Where we color grade the images.
We get the digitals from the process house. We see all the color corrections has been done, and then we send all the PDFs to the press. And that's how we get our magazine.
And because we've done too many blue covers, we're going with this one. That is
First one.
The first one, huh?
very different.
And I'll make that yellow highlight more.
Let's go with the first.
Let's go with the first.
Yeah.
To show a cultural Doha that
Different.
because if we are showing.
Yeah, okay. I delete it. Because
ये एक वाइन दिया डेजर्ट वाइन है इतना स्वीट इतना सही आई इवन लाइक द स्पार्कलिंग
No, I didn't like the sparkling one. That was Nasik ka koi brand, but this was really nice. Fratelli.
कैसे रखो फोटो
Yeah.
खुश हो जाओ बोले उसका भी
Bindi 1, Bindi 2, Bindi 3. Lady finger day. Now Amit will post this on foodie. What's your bio? You want to introduce yourself?
शेयर करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है अपने को
Katrina, say hi. Hello. We have salad with banana, pomegranate, cucumber, and then for the unhealthy bits we have pasta and burrito. Amit is back, day 2. So much, no? It's called the file pagination. It's how the layout of the magazine is going to look like. So I'm scheduling my newsletter right now because I'm not going to be coming into work tomorrow. I literally only have 30 minutes to get ready. Which, no, it's okay. You can be in the background and eat your Amrud. I have my eyeliner, my Pixie blush, my Chanel Glow Balm, which is literally my go-to. Anastasia concealer and corrector, and we have mascaras. I have to get to dicing my hair. It is putting India on the map because it literally connected Abu Dhabi and Mumbai, and they are doing air buses that are 3 days. I literally will link up the article somewhere here. The new Laura Mercier one that I bought wasn't gifted. Honestly, everything is just coming to me as gifts this year. Food, restaurant hostings, did I mention that I will be my first sponsored work trip? My flights, my stay, my hotel, everything will be taken care of. And it literally doesn't feel real because I have high-key literally said this to everyone I know that honestly it's in. Although I am taking like a private vacation, I'm going to Italy with my family. I fought a lot before the trip because I was like, hey, I don't want to really go because I just started this new job and things like that. But my boss was sweet enough to approve it that I literally only have 30 minutes to get ready. There's so much you learn while being a writer. Like today, I realized that I was writing the wrong spelling of Etihad. I added tags with an and, so I had to put a comma and then write Hyderabad. And there's just so much that gets overshadowed in the print form because you think it's just like one article, but there's so much thought that has gone behind it. There are so many press releases that we have read before that. So the research is intense, which is why the rewards are so nice. Are ready, fully in the cab, and now we're heading to meet Katrina Kaif. I mean, how do you get anywhere in time? Dude, I swear, इतना traffic jam है कि लोग बस से उतर के निकल के जा रहे हैं. 14 minutes away. क्या 7 बज गए? What the hell? Literally लोग निकल रहे हैं. Oh my god, बसें खाली हो रही है. What is happening in Bombay?
जब भी वहाँ से चले थे मालाबार एरिया से.
हाँ. और अभी 1 घंटा से तो अंदर ही है. ऐसा लग रहा है 10 मिनट बाद. Okay, I've never really felt this badass before. Someone messaged me regarding an interview pitch right now, and I had the audacity to tell them. I was like, just please text me during working hours. It just made me feel so powerful, like the power is here, bitches. And we have arrived for the Etihad event under the banyan tree. I think that's the lucky draw process, so we can win some exciting gifts from Etihad.
The whole team and all is actually
Just
yeah. So you can get your name written in Urdu.
in Urdu.
Yeah.
Damn, we are doing a Doha issue, Amit. Then we have a perfume bar. Insane.
So 7:30, but 7:30 is already past.
Start properly at 8, but this is the
Yeah,
cutest
it is.
gesture. Honestly, love it.
It's
Probably just been like 20 seconds of me reaching you, but I have never felt this intimidated because it's a very high-end event compared to any ones that I've actually attended before. So you like right from left to right or something like that? Amit networking with his Times and Femina magazine creator. सब बोल रहे हो सब सही है. Introduce yourself.
Hello, hi there. My name is Meet Chandan. I'm a DJ.
He's going to be
Plays
performing
11
tonight.
instruments, so watch out.
Damn.
दो बार
Experience from business.
समझा.
on your tray tables away and put your phones in airplane mode because we are about to take off. We're going to have some really important people who are going to come up on stage and talk about it, but this is a question I'm dying to ask. I mean, बच्चे तो एक तरफ होते हैं. My husband Angad, he also sleeps in the most handsome way with his mouth open all the flight. 20 to signify the number of years Etihad has been flying to India. It's just him and his father. There are only two people in all of Brazil with that name. Or in the world, sorry sir. All right. In the entire world.
Distinguished guests, ladies, my name is Antonoaldo Neves, CEO of Etihad. It's really a pleasure to be here tonight. I mean, amazing building, right? Where ice was manufactured a long time ago. Amazing city, I mean, the city that never sleeps. And an amazing crowd. I mean, our partners, our friends, our colleagues. I mean, we couldn't be with better company to celebrate our 20th anniversary.
And you've actually flown more on Etihad than a lot of them. Favorite part of the journey?
Getting into your seat, and somehow it's just like this little pause from the world. It's just like it's a little time out. Kind of leave all my thoughts, all my deadlines, all my stresses behind. A little bit of me time. So I think for me that's definitely that's what I look forward to.
Spoils you.
Abu Dhabi spoils you completely. That's exactly the right way to put it. And I have some of my favorite memories there. We shot a lot of quite a large portion of a very one of my favorite movies that I've done. It's a series called Tiger, and that was shot extensively in Abu Dhabi and it had
With Arik, Antonoaldo, and of course the lovely Katrina Kaif. Katrina, I've heard wonderful things.
I'm so proud of you for spelling my name correctly.
So yes, you can be my co-pilot anytime. Me and you.
I knew it. And that's what you do. Katrina's like, what are you talking about? My assistant, my security, all of them have in my bag. Are you crazy?
If they could fit in my handbag, if only, that would make life a lot simpler. A sweater.
The big hoodie that you
The big hoodie that I'm always wearing. You want to be cozy on a flight, you know? You got your legs up and you're just watching a nice movie. So always you need something comfy and cozy, some sort of hoodie, and always a book. Always a book. A really well thought out, well chosen book that I never read.
Managed to get a cake on board. That was great, and then it had no gluten and it had no sugar, and then you're like, what's going on? This is Etihad. This is amazing, you know. And I feel like 20, 200, 2,000 years. I mean, I could just fly to India forever and ever. I don't even know why I'm asking this, but I will. Your favorite co-passenger? If you don't say you're.
No, but he's a great co-passenger. He's the best. He's the best. He can make any amount of time just pass like that.
हिंदी सीख रहे हैं एकदम गोरा की तरफ बात करते हैं हिंदी but 20 साल के बाद जो next जो milestone होगा वो हम हिंदी में करेंगे ठीक है
I know one word at this point and I'm going to use it. Yalla.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, well, the guy will always believe. Why did I say that?
Who in my team told you this?
Are you going to promote that? Barack Obama was your professor, right?
That's right, yes. I went to the University of Chicago and it was an incredible experience. And I said, oh, that's great. How is that the one that looks like baseball? And they were very ashamed that I was of Indian heritage. So I said, okay, but why? And they then started talking about the brand and got to know a lot of cricket. And what was great about CSK is it's a brand really made for the fans. And I wasn't convinced of that till I went to Chennai, watched the IPL, and the fans are everywhere. Whistle Podu is everywhere, right? And that was incredible. And so
Etihad Airways has officially partnered with
Etihad Airways के business class में
having the trophy, right? You have breakfast in bed. In residence, you get breakfast in bed, right? So you get breakfast in bed with the trophy.
Man City, the actual Premier League trophy. Oh my god.
Football and travel are two of my passions, and to see this come together makes me proud and excited. Two of
Hello, card. What number do you have? 61. Let's see if we win. What's your number? 65. How are you 65? I'm 62. We came in. Oh yeah, you came in earlier and I came late, so that
Tonight to Abu Dhabi on the Etihad. So
And
are
a
you all
stay.
ready with these unbelievable prizes, which also include travel and a holiday?
I'm going to pick it up, and then you'll call it out.
Yes, I'm going to call it Madeha from Abu Dhabi and a two-night stay at Warner Brothers Hotel on Yas Island. And I promise you, it's incredible. Yes, and it is the entertainment hub of Abu Dhabi, where you can enjoy theme parks and the shopping and a range of delicious food. I love it, and many congratulations. Yeah.
And